count down 40 minutes.
Sure, 40 minutes. And we're starting now.
Streets of downtown LA, just lightning, and just went, it's just assumed.
Oh, it's gonna work together. You said she's like what? What exactly? I'm gonna have to subpoena that. Me and Nancy will talk. You're in trouble. Yes. Okay.
Salivate after, and the recipes are literally developed, appeared, but the fur that she still has. Board certified nutritionist from Real Food. Check out for sponsoring today's video and Mingo. A basket of Red Bull costs $60 spenders. Those are the ones maybe buying VVIP spenders, like most dollar sign.